Hey guys, and welcome back to one of my videos. In this video I'll be showing the snowstorm today. So one day ago there was a lot of snow fell. So the snow was melting. It was like 10 degrees, and then it turned like fell down to 5 minus, and then went to like 10 minus. So outside it went pretty cold. So yesterday all the snow fell, and the snow just came now. There's also a lot of wind this morning, and you might not even see, but it's snowing now. So this is how my area looks like now, full of snow. I really want spring to come back because I'm excited to drive my bike and do all my fun stuff during the summer. So just wanted to make a quick video and show you how my garden looks like now. Yeah, we dig a small path there until there. Well, in the next video I'm gonna be showing you what we made. We made a couple cool stuff a bit down in and here's the part. Snowstorm, I told you. So in this video it's technically to show you the snowstorm. Look how cool it is. Oh. So once, like, whoa, that was a cool one. Yeah, it's like windy, snowing now. It's like so many stuff combined. It's like pretty weird weather lately. Oh, it's just a lot of snow and wind. So I think this is all for this video. You saw the snowstorm, so that's good. So this is all for this video. Bye everyone.